Beware all black hands. From this day forward, any citizen caught thieving will be hanged by the neck.
Nothing changes hands in this city without Basso catching wind of it. He says it's a gift. In my line of work, I'm inclined to agree.
Come on. Someone wants to meet you.
Why me?
Oh, your jolly nature? Your engaging conversation? I don't know. It's the guy you stole the ring for. You must have impressed him.
Who is he?
He's Orion. He's one of the guys standing up against the Baron and sticking up for normal people like you and me. Well, me, anyway. He speaks a lot of sense. Fucking rarity in this place. He's down here helping the poor sods who have the gloom. It's nice to see someone putting their money where their mouth is. And, try not to be too, you. We need this.
Basso. It's good that you came, Garrett.
You're paying, aren't you?
With what little I have, yes.
Well, you've bought my attention for now, at least.
I can still see your
Good.
face.
Please. Walk with me. The Baron favors progress over pain. Metal and stone over flesh and blood. And look what has happened.
I don't get involved in politics.
Ah, yes. You pride yourself on being a loner. Do you really think you have no stake in this?
It works for me.
But for how long?
Garrett? Garrett, I'm slipping! Ah!
This is your city too?
What happened?
You passed out. Are you okay?
I'm fine. What do you need from me?
I require a book. It's the only one of its kind still known to exist. I'm told it lies hidden somewhere in the House of Blossoms. That brothel is busy day and night with the rich and famous. Discretion is the key. I don't normally hold with stealing, but in times like these...
Man of politics stealing by proxy. Sounds about right.
As right as a thief who steals for a good cause.
Not enough for my liking. I can still see your face.
I'll get you your book.
You will be helping to secure a better future for everyone.
I'll remember that. The House of Blossoms. I never went there, but I know someone who did. Aaron.
Gods to graveholes. Not enough for my life. All quiet over here.
You! On your knees!
Why? What'd I do?
Shut it, Bleater. Only Graven Newspate taught that to watch. And you're not free.
No, sir. I'm a North Crest man. I have been my whole life.
What's that smell? You pissed yourself, didn't you?
Please, I didn't do anything.
I'm watching you, Bleater. Now get out of here before I lock you up for loitering.
There are a few of these obelisks around the city. There's an old mill in Riverside that Aaron used to call home. I should go take a look inside.
Huh?
Just let someone move in.
Footsteps.
Give it up!
Must have been going full chisel. He's gone.
I'll make this quick.
This switch is practically invisible. I should keep an eye out for these. Aaron once told me she'd trapped the place to stop unwelcome visitors. I'll need to step lightly.
You've never been here before, have you?
Erin?
What's the matter, Garrett? Did I finally get the drop on you?
How are you here? You died.
Maybe this is where the dead wait when they've got nowhere else to go. And now you're here. Are you dead, Garrett? Follow me to the truth. I watched you. I wanted to be you. We're so alike. But why did I even try? The world already has a Garrett.
What do you want from me?
I want you to steal a key to the truth. It's from before I left home. Before I became Aaron. But you have to find it yourself. Those are the rules. Start looking. I'll tell you when you're close. You're close. A little further. No!
It's almost as if Aaron wanted me to find something. I can't leave without checking. What is this, and why did Aaron have it? Onto the House of Blossoms. It's marked by red lights, so I find those lights, I find the brothel.
Of the eel. Arse. Hey.
You're enjoying this far too much.
We're enjoying it just enough.
First time, sir.
Where is Madame Zhao Zhao? I came to the House of Blossoms. If you thugs mean to waylay...
Madame Zhao Zhao awaits you at the house, sir. I'm to escort you personally. If you'll just follow me.
This strutting rooster is being led right to the hen house. I'll play the fox.
Was that you shuffling about? I heard it too. What was it?
I'm in no mood for trouble.
Whatever it was, it's gone now. Keep sharp. Could be anywhere. Same nightmares every night. Was that you shuffling about?
There's a body here! Trouble! I'll lay you down too!
Jammed again?
I hope you don't expect me to assist. No. Not at all, sir.
Mind your footing, sir. Keep close to my light.
I hear that Madame Zhao Zhao kept her house of ill repute in a discreet location. This?
It pays to be shut away for prying eyes, sir.
Yes, well, I'm certainly paying. Evening to you, sir. Stench! Is this some manner of sewer?
It's the river, sir. Actually, it's the woods.
I'm in no need of a history lesson. Cold out tonight. My ears are clutching at every sound. Is it safe down here?
Only ever, sir.
Don't talk to me in danger.
Bruce.
Better go see.
Someone there! Step out where I can see you!
Must have had a bad bowl of soup. Is there any other kind? No one's going to slip by me.
I might be dressed in leather, but I don't think I'll pass as the cabaret act for the evening. I'll have to sneak inside.
If I could just see your invitation.
Oh, the invitation. Oh, yes, of course. I have it here on me. I must have misplaced the damn thing. Well, no matter.
Sir, I'm sorry, but Madame Zhao Zhao insists on absolute security. No entry without an invite.
What? And you couldn't have told me this before I made the descent?
The Madam's chambers would be a good place to start. If I don't spoil the mood in here, I can fill my pockets too.
Avoid my drinks. I'll come over when I'm done.
What happened to the sloop sellers? No trouble this way.
Coming this way.